Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create content for YouTube with AI tools. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to start, let's go to RYTR and create our script. Let's try to put on reasons to travel and then click on write for me. You can also select your language, tone, and you can also choose use case. And here, RYTR gives us 10 reasons to travel and see the world. You can see the blog outline and the reasons below. Let's now make our script into speech. Here on wellsaidlabs.ai. Create voiceovers from text in real time. Wellsaid Labs is the top AI voice platform. Thousands of companies use it to create engaging content and experiences, saving time and money without compromising quality. You can try it for free or book a demo. You can see the reviews here and collaboration made easy. Everyone in your team can create voiceover, make edits, and update content using the same voices. Use the right voice. Pick from a range of voice avatars to find the perfect fit for your production. Finish production faster. Create voiceover straight from your script with one or many voices, and work better as a team. You can share projects and files with team members for feedback and co-production. Voice-over production is faster with Wellsaid. Wellsaid is a fantastic product that puts out high-quality audio output that fits into today's design and production cycles. Your voice infrastructure. Make your content and digital experiences more engaging with voice avatars. You can also build your own voice avatars for branded content. Add voice to apps and products integrate with your internal production tools. It is also built for enterprises. Companies, large and small, rely on Wellsaid to help them create mission-critical content. Bring global departments together, scale up voice production and projects of any size. Meet your security and compliance requirements. Now, let's try to use wellsaidlabs.ai and turn our script into speech. After that, we can now look for stock footage that we can use in our video. And to do that, we can go to pexels.com. It is the best free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. You can see these sample free stock photos here. And what is good here is you can download the photos for free. So let's try to search the photos that we need in our video. For this, let's try to search travel. And here, you can see the travel images available that you can download for free. So let's try to look for some and try to download at least 5 images. Click on download button and you can see that it is already downloading the file. Let's try to download some more featuring travel. Then, you can also sign up or log in to pexels.com. Like, what do you mainly want to do? You can either download, I'm here to download free photos and videos, or contribute, I'm here to share my photos and videos with the world. But, you can download and upload photos and videos no matter which option you choose. What are you mainly using Pexels for? You will always be able to do both things. This simply helps us create a better experience for you. You can download content and share photos and videos. Now, what do you create with the content you download? This will help us understanding what content you like the most, such as social media, emails, ads, presentations, blog or articles, website, print, videos, and others. And for today's tutorial, let's choose on videos. After that, you will receive an email updates and goodies. We don't email often, but when we do, we try our best to deliver something packed with value for you, such as new photos or photographers to follow, curated collections just for you, and email-only freebies and discounts from partners. Then, click on Yes, sign me up. After that, it's time to make the video. Go to your video editor and then put on the stock images that you have downloaded. You can also insert the script that you transform into voices. You can also add some editing like transitions, animations, and sound effects. After that, you can change the background, the format, and then click on export. Let's now see our video.
The top 5 reasons to travel and see the world. Exploring the magical world of travel. Reason 1. Discover different cultures and explore new places. Reason 2. Learn about yourself and enhance your life experiences. Reason 3. Create new friendships with people from all over the globe. Reason 4. Give back to the local communities you visit. Reason 5. Unplug and recharge in relaxing environments.
And you can now use this video as a content on your YouTube channel. You can create your content or videos using free AI tools. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.